Today we will understand the topic pair of equations reducible to linear equation form. This is question number 1 of exercise 13.6. Here you can see that the variable lies in the denominator, and that means it is not a linear equation, because for it to be linear equation the variable should be in the numerator and the degree of equation should be 1. So how can we reduce this to linear equation form? There is a particular way of doing the question. What will I do? Just see this. 1 upon 2x can be rewritten as 1 by 2 into 1 by x, because 1 by 2 into 1 by x will give you 1 by 2x, plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y, that will give me 1 by 3y, and this is equal to 2. Similarly, in this equation I can write this as 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y, and that is equal to 13 by 6. Now here I am asking you to substitute a particular value, and what is it? 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. Now what will happen with this? Now see here, it is 1 by 3 a, because 1 by x is equal to a, plus 1 by 2 b, and that is equal to 13 by 6. So now you can see that my equation is containing the variables in the numerator, and that means it has reduced to linear equation form. Similarly, see the first one, 1 by 2 into a plus 1 by 3 into b, and that is equal to 2. Again, this is linear equation number 1, this is linear equation number 2. Now you have to solve these two equations 1 and 2 and get the answer for a and b. Finally, I need to tell you the answer for x and y, because the question was in variable x and y. Right. So now how do we solve equation 1 and 2? Either you can keep it in fractions, equate the coefficients of any of the variable, use elimination, or you may take the LCM and then solve it. So I am keeping it in the fractions only and equating the coefficients. So what I am doing is I am multiplying the first equation by 1 by 3 and second equation by 1 by 2. Now what will happen? 1 by 3 से multiply करने पर this will become 1 by 6, and 1 by 2 से multiply करने पर this will become 1 by 6. So that means the coefficients are equated. So we'll just write down the values here. So the value for the first equation becomes 1 by 6a plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 9b is equal to 2 into 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. So this is my first equation after multiplication. Now second equation, 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, so it is 1 by 6a plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, so it is 1 by 4b, and that is equal to 13 by 6 into 1 by 2, so it is 13 by 12. Right. Now we need to solve these two equations and get the answers for a and b. So when you solve this, you have to subtract these two equations. Now when you subtract this, 1 by 6a and 1 by 6a cancels. So 1 by 9 minus 1 by 4b. So I am writing 1 by 9 minus 1 by 4b. I have taken b common here, and that is equal to 2 by 3 minus 13 by 12. Now take LCM. I can take LCM here as 36. So 9 4s are, so 4 minus 4 9s are, so 9 into b is equal to, you can take LCM as 12 only or 36, it's up to you. So 12 I have taken, 3 4s are, so 4 2s are 8 minus 12 1s are, so it is 13. So it is minus 5b upon 36 is equal to minus 5 upon 12. So minus 5 से minus 5 cancel, 12 से 3 cancel, this 3 goes up, so b की value is 3. Now what was b initially? b was 1 by y, so I am writing b is equal to 1 by y. तो y की value क्या आ जाएगी? You just swap the positions, you will get y is equal to 1 by 3. Now with this y I have to get the value of x, so you can substitute in any of the equation. So if I wish to put the value of 1 by y here, just see this one equation. Value of 1 by y क्या था? 3. You can put the value 3 here in the second equation. So I am putting 1 by y is equal to 3 in my second equation. अब सेकेंड इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा 1/3 इंटू 1/x प्लस 1/2 इंटू 1/3 and that is equal to 13/6. So 1/3x plus 1/6 is equal to 13/6. 13/6 में से 1/6 सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो I'll get 1/3x is equal to 13/6 minus 1/6. So 12/6 means 2. So x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी, x की वैल्यू को यहाँ भेज देंगे, 2 को यहाँ ले आएंगे. So that makes x is equal to 1/6. So y की वैल्यू is 1/3 and x की वैल्यू is 1/6 in this particular question. This is how you are supposed to solve the question. Now see this second question. Again the second question is containing the variables in the denominator. Process वही रहेगा, 2 into 1/√x plus 3 into 1/√y is equal to 2. And second equation becomes 4 into 1/√x minus 9 into 1/√y is equal to -1. हमने क्या किया, कॉन्स्टेंट्स एंड वेरिएबल्स को जैसे फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में सेपरेट किया था, वी हैव सेपरेटेड. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द सब्स्टिट्यूशन, पुट 1/√x is equal to a and 1/√y is equal to b. So my first equation becomes 2a plus 3b is equal to 2 and second equation becomes 4a minus 9b is equal to -1. अब I have to solve both the equations to get the value of x and y. So I have solved it for both a and b and the value of b is coming out to be 1/3 and the value of a is coming out to be 1/2. अब a था क्या, a was 1/√x. So ये 1/√x है. तो अब क्या करना पड़ेगा, वी हैव टू स्क्वायर बोथ साइड्स. पहले तो वी गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ √x. √x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 2. Now you square both sides. If you square both sides, you will get x is equal to 4. So the value of x is equal to 4. Similarly, b क्या था, 1/√y. So 1/√y is equal to 1/3. तो √y की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 3. So y की वैल्यू will be equal to 9. Now this is how you have to solve this question. Now see this question, fourth part of question number 1. Again the same type of things are there. 5 into 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 because there is no constant here and that is equal to 2. Then 6 into 1 upon x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 upon y minus 2 and that is equal to 1. अब फिर से वैसे ही सब्स्टिट्यूशन करेंगे. 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to b. So my first equation becomes 5a because this complete term is a and this complete term is b. So 5a plus b is equal to 2 and second equation becomes 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. अब I have to solve these two equations to get the value of a and b. Let us solve them. So I have solved these two equations for you. You can solve them and check that the answers are coming. A is equal to 1/3 and b is equal to 1/3. Now what will I do? Next step is substitute the value here. So 1 upon x minus 1 की वैल्यू a के इक्वल है और a किसके इक्वल है 1/3. So x minus 1 की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी 3. So x की वैल्यू is 4. सिमिलरली सेकेंड इक्वेशन 1 अपॉन y माइनस 2 की वैल्यू किसके इक्वल है b के इक्वल और b इज़ इक्वल टू 1/3. सो y माइनस 2 इज़ इक्वल टू 3. तो y की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 5. सो फाइनली आई हैव गॉट द टू आंसर्स. x इज़ इक्वल टू 4 एंड y इज़ इक्वल टू 5. नाउ इफ़ आई विश टू चेक कि मेरा आंसर करेक्ट है या नहीं, व्हाट विल आई डू, आई विल सब्स्टिट्यूट इट हियर. 5 अपॉन 4 माइनस 1 3. 5 minus, so that will be equal to, so you substitute the value 5 into 1 upon x minus 1. So 1 upon x minus 1 की वैल्यू क्या है 3. So I substitute it here 1/3. So it becomes 5/3 plus 1 upon y minus 2, 1 upon y minus 2 की वैल्यू क्या है 1/3, so 5/3 plus 1/3 6/3 and 6/3 is equal to 2, which is your RHS. So this is how you can check your answer without even checking it at the back, and this is the method you should always check the answer even in exams.